Hey crafters, today I'll be making this glam tray. If you want to know how I did that, then stay tuned. You will need 2 picture frames, 2 door handles, you will need a roll of rhinestone wrap, and 4 crystal knobs. As you can see, I'm doing the picture frames, and then I'm going to remove all of the stuff, including the glass, out of them so that I can spray paint them later on. I use metallic spray paint for the frames and the handles. Alright, so I'm just putting everything to the side, all but one frame, so that I can put the glass back in, and then I'm going to be flipping the paper upside down so that the bottom is solid white. As always, I want to stop and thank you for watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. And if you haven't yet, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps grow my channel. Alright, so now I'm going to put that off to the side. Okay, so now I'm going to be measuring the wrap to fit the frame. Alright, so I'll be putting the bling wrap on top of the glass and then I will be securing it. I am adding E6000 to the frame, followed by hot glue to give it instant hold. So I will be adding the knobs the same way with the E6000 followed by the hot glue. Again, I will be using the E6000 and hot glue with the door handles as well. I ended up adding some bling to the sides, but this is the finished look. I love how it came out. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. Until next time, bye.